Module 2, Lab 3, Task 2. Gather information of a target website using Photon. All right, I'm already logged into my Parrot machine. We're going to open a terminal window, sudo su, tour, and cd Photon to change to the Photon directory. All right, now we're going to type in Python 3, Photon.py, tac h, and press enter to view the list of options that Photon provides. All right, now we're going to type Python 3, Photon.py, tac u, for URL, http://www.certifiedhacker.com, and press enter to crawl the website for internal, external, and scripts URLs. Oops. Got to give it the slashes. There we go. Now, note that U specifies the target website. All right, the results are saved in a www.certifiedhacker.com directory under the Photon folder. All right, type in ls and press enter to view the folder content. You can observe that a directory named www.certifiedhacker.com is created. Now we're going to click the places from the top section of the desktop and select Home Folder. The attacker window appears. We're going to navigate to the Photon directory, www.certifiedhacker.com folder. And here we can observe 3 text files in the folder: external, internal, and scripts. Go ahead and double-click the external.txt file. A Pluma text editor appears, showing the external URLs obtained using Photon. All right, in the same way, you can view the internals and scripts files containing URLs that are crawled by the Photon tool. All right, go ahead and close the Pluma text editor and switch back to your terminal window. Now we're going to type in, arrow up, Python 3, Photon.py, the URL, and let's give it some command line arguments. Tac L, L3, for level to crawl. Tac T for the number of threads. Here we'll use 200. Space tac way back specifies URLs from archive.org as seeds. Press enter to call the website using URLs from archive.org. All right, again, the results are saved in a www.certifiedhacker.com directory under the Photon folder. We can navigate it to view the result as we did before: places, home folder, Photon, www, and again, there are our output files. You can further explore the Photon tool and perform various other functionalities, such as the cloning of the target website, extracting secret keys and cookies, obtaining strings by specifying regex patterns, etc. Using this information, the attackers can perform various attacks on the target, such as brute force attacks, denial of service attacks, injection attacks, phishing attacks, and social engineering attacks. All right, this concludes the demonstration of gathering information on a target website using the Photon tool. Go ahead and close all open windows, and that completes our lab.